Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another investing $1 in Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 481. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. Currently on stocks, so let's jump to Bitcoin. Remember, if you want to get $5 free on Cash App, just sign up with my link in the description and we'll both get $5 for free. I really appreciate anyone who uses my link. So we've got Bitcoin at $9,435. We're up about 3% on the week. 13% on the month, but pretty much going sideways. 13% on the year, still going pretty sideways. Quite a bit of sideways movement here in the past couple of years. Let me just show you this chart real quick. So here's the all-time chart. You can see, like right there, we had something like that. Right there, we had something like that. Then it just breaks upward. You can see we have this resistance line here. And it's getting to the point where it could break out or it could come back down here. I'm not an expert. I'm just dollar cost averaging. But I like to play around with these charts a little bit. Hopefully that gives you guys a little better idea of what's going on all the time. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy. We're typing in $7. Doing $7 a week every Friday. Averages out to be $1 per day. So still got a 3% fee on here. Let's go ahead and tap confirm. Tap done. Just like that, I've purchased $7 more of Bitcoin. So now I have $620.81 in here. Let's go ahead and do the math on that. 620.81 divided by 481 days equals a 1.29x on my investment. So still doing well, dollar cost averaging. And when you're not a trader, when you're not an expert, you can't really predict what will happen. I follow a lot of the most experienced, best people, and a lot of them don't seem to know what will happen. There's varying opinions. I think that's why it's best to just dollar cost average. Just keep buying some each day or each week. Add more when we have huge dips like here and here. And that's really all you can do, because when you keep buying over an extended period of time, it just kind of averages out. You're always going to be buying the lowest prices no matter what, and that way you're not stressing out about it. You're not always looking at the chart like, oh, I bought and it went down. You're not freaking out. Just invest a little bit each day. Let's see, we've got 0.065 Bitcoin in here now, so we're still approaching 0.1 Bitcoin. That's pretty solid. That's all for today's video. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this or tutorials on Cash App or some of the other investing apps. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.